welcome. If you're not, welcome back. My name is Kassan and this is She Is Chic. Today, as always, I'm super hyped, super excited because I'm coming to you guys with the Luxe collection from fashion to figure. So they recently came out with a collection that's more for like lounging and like pretty much on the go. It's not too much of a collection where it's like you're like getting super dressed up and super fancy and all that. It's pretty lax wear. So I'm really excited to get into this. But before we get into the review, don't forget to subscribe. I know y'all been watching a couple of my videos, so don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to watch my last couple of videos with Onisha, my best friend. We did a haul on Pretty Little Things in Fashion to Figure, and also my plus size review on Beyonce's Ivy Park. But anyway, I'm not gonna hold this intro too long. Let's get right into it, ladies. Alright, just to let you ladies know, I do have on shapewear. I just felt because the line is very like clingy, so I wanted to control some of that jelly just in case we want to wear this out. But the first thing that I have on is this brown like rib tights, and it's a rib top that goes with it. Let me come up a little closer so you can see the rib. It does have a little boob outline that, like most places, when they put a boob outline, it don't really outline your boobs because my boobs are real and they're big. But it's super comfortable. So in this top, I have a 1X on. Show y'all the top. Also, I have shapewear under here, you guys, because again, it's clingy, and anything that's clingy to me, I like to wear shapewear under it because I like to look super smooth underneath. I don't want to look like, you know, so I put shapewear under there. But this is a top. I feel like you don't necessarily need the pants with the top. It's not a crop top. I could probably wear this with some dark denim jeans or even some light denim jeans and get away with the top by itself. The top is in a 1X. It is super stretchy. I do believe it is true to size. Now the pants, for some reason, I was looking at the model online and they said that the model had a 2X on, and I was like, well, dang, she looks about my size, so I should probably get a 2X. So I got a 2X in the pants, or a size 2 in the pants, and they're not super big, but I could have got away with a 1. But I like the fact that I actually got a 2 because I feel like it hides my fupa a little more, because if I would have got a 1, it would have been more clingy, and I feel like this is more forgiving to my fupa with the size 2. But there's nothing super special about it. It is super comfortable, y'all. I do like the fact that like I could wear it around the house, and like if I'm lounging around the house and I need to run an errand real quick, I can just throw on some shoes and a jacket and go out the door and I'll be fine. So that's pretty much it for this one. Not too much to say. You get what you see what you get. Alright, so the next thing I have on is this romper. And y'all, this is so comfortable, and I like the fact that it's black because it makes me feel super sexy. I feel super sexy in black because black makes you look and feel super slim. But it is shorts. I love this romper. It's just so comfortable. I do have on a 1, you guys, and I don't know if y'all feel what I feel and how I'm feeling, but I feel sexy. Like, I just feel super slimmed and it's super stretchy. I was thinking like maybe I need a 2, but I'm glad I didn't go to a 2 because this fits just right. It has a lot of freaking stretch in it, which makes it perfect like loungewear, because like you want to be lounging around and stuff that's like super duper comfortable. Now on the website, I was flipping through pictures of the models because I like doing that. She actually had on this black jacket with it, and I was like, oh, that's super cute and chic. So I went ahead and got the black jacket too because I'm one of those people. But I I love it with the black jacket as well. It turns it into like this streetwear look and makes it super cute and chic. Now I got this jacket in a 1 as well. Now it fits, but if I wanted to button it up, I couldn't button it. I mean, I could get 1 button on here. I guess I could button it, but it wouldn't look like super comfortable button. But I wouldn't button it anyway. I will always wear it open regardless. But the jacket literally has no stretch. It is denim, so there's no stretch. So if you're unsure and you're probably between sizes, because it has no stretch, I would say go up a size. Because I was thinking maybe I probably need a 0, because sometimes their jackets run a little big, but I'm glad I went with a 1 instead of a 0. So if you're in between sizes and you don't know like what you should get in this denim jacket and you decide to get it, I would definitely say go a size up. But I love the denim jacket. There's nothing super special about it. It's just a denim jacket. It's a trench jacket, but like I'm in love with it. I love this jacket. I would definitely do this with some like black denim jeans and some like combat boots, or some heel combat boots, or you know, like they're not really combat boots, but they have heels on them and they kind of look like those badass combat boots. I'll put a picture up at the top so y'all know what I'm talking about. But I think I can get away with that. Or in the model in the picture, she has on thigh-high boots. I will even do thigh-highs with these. So, but that's pretty much it for this outfit, you ladies. I love it. Again, super stretchy, super comfortable. Again, it's loungewear, so you want it to be super stretchy and comfortable. So, boom, boom. That's pretty much it, ladies. Let's move on to the next one. I think this might be my favorite out of the collection so far. It is super cute. It is super comfortable. It is 2 different pieces. So I do have on shapewear under here, y'all, so y'all gonna see my little shapewear, but I'm gonna let you see it. So the top is a bodysuit. Super comfortable. The top is a size 1. The skirt is a size 1 as well. And I love the skirt. Again, the amount of comfort, and I feel like the price, because you know, fashion and figure clothing is not like super affordable for a lot of people, but for the price, I feel like I'm getting my money's worth, y'all. This is so effing comfortable. I work part-time at K Jewelers. I like the fact that this is comfortable, but I still feel like I can wear this to work. Like, it doesn't look like it's something that you just sit around the house in or just go run some errands in. I could literally wear this to work. It's definitely business, casual, and appropriate, that I feel like a customer will be okay with walking up to me. This is like probably two of the sexiest pieces that they have out of this whole collection right here. I am happy. I have no complaints. There's nothing much to say about it. It just like the other 2 items, they are completely stretchy. You have plenty of space. I like the fact that because I am not super hippie, my shapewear is giving me more of a and look than what I usually have. But I like the fact that the skirt, usually when I get midi skirts, what happens is they'll fit really well up here because I'm apple shaped, but then down here they'll be like, it'll look really square and really off-putting to me. I like the fact that at the bottom it still looks fitted and it still looks like nice and complements my shape. Y'all can see that. If I'm ashy, mind your business. Ain't always up in my business. But anyway, I probably am a little ashy. I ain't put on no lotion today. Don't judge me, judge your mammy, okay? Alright, before I get into the top, let's talk about these jeans, because these just might be my new pair of favorite jeans. These things are so comfortable. Now they're not super duper stretchy, but I have on a size 16 and I still have a little bit of room in here. If I wanted to, I probably could have went down to a 14. Now, when me and Onisha did our last haul, which I'll leave the link at the top in a little piece of the video. But when me and Onisha did our haul, Onisha got the Curvy skinny jeans, which is different from their regular jeans. The Curvy skinny jeans, as I explained in the last video, have a more snatched in waist. It is for women with big hips but a really small waist. I have on just a traditional pair of skinny jeans from Fashion to Figure, their regular jeans, and I will say this: they fit so much better on me than the Curvy. One, because I'm not a girl with super big hips with a small waist. I have a average size waist for my size, meaning my waist is 10 inches smaller than my bust and 10 inches smaller than my hips. So these jeans fit me perfectly, and I am so in love with the fit and the length, because I didn't get them in a tall. I don't even know if these jeans come in a size tall. I got them in regular length, and they go all the way down to my ankle, and I think they are perfect. Don't worry about this shapewear that I have on right here with the wrong bra straps, because I couldn't find the bra straps. This shapewear actually came from City Chic. I'll leave a link at the top as well from a haul I did from them about bras and stuff like that. I do love this. This is a full bodysuit, y'all, that I've been trying on under all these clothes today. But this is probably one of my favorite shapewears. But that's not what this video is about. But these jeans, honey, yes, these just might be my new favorite pair of jeans. I think they just fit everywhere perfectly. I don't have any gapping. I don't think it highlights my midsection, which is for me a huge issue with jeans, because like I do have abnormally large fupa. My fupa is pretty big. This is where I carry my weight. But the jeans, they're very complimentary. I know this is not a part of their Luxe comfort wear, but I bought these jeans because I wanted to go with this shirt that I bought that actually is a part of their Luxe collection. So, moving on to the shirt, now that we got these jeans taken care of. Ooh. This feels really good. It just feels comfortable. Oh my God. Fashion to Figure. Look at y'all doing y'all job, honey. Hold on, let me turn around. Let me see how to get this to go around. Maybe I should go the other way. Boom. Fix myself while I'm over here. Okay, y'all. Fashion to Figure, I will literally say this literally has to be my favorite collection from you all. When you guys said comfort and relax, y'all really meant it. Like, this shirt is so soft, it's so stretchy, it's so comfortable. Like, I got this shirt in a size 1. Just to let y'all know, it is a crop top, but it's just so, and it feels expensive. Nothing is better than being cute, expensive, and comfortable. And I think you guys knocked all 3 of those things out of the park, like with no questions asked. And like, I just feel like, I don't know, I just feel comfortable, but I still feel cute. I can put on a pair of heels with this, or some booties and a cute purse, and be out the door and don't feel like, ugh, I'm cute, but like having to fight with my outfit all day or feeling uncomfortable all day. And for me, that's what fashion is about. I want to feel cute and comfortable all at the same time. I don't want to have to suffer either one to suffer. I'm either cute but I'm not comfortable, or I'm comfortable but I'm not cute. I like the fact that this entire collection, or the pieces that I have, I feel comfortable but still cute. And who wants to fight those two things? You want to put both of them together. So yeah, I have no complaints. I'm glad that I decided to do the haul, because at first I was like, I just did a fashion to figure haul. But I'm happy that I got the pieces. I'm definitely keeping every single piece that I got, including these jeans, because they are so bomb and they fit me so wonderfully. If you guys haven't tried out their jeans, whether you're curvy or apple shaped like me, I definitely would suggest you to try a pair of their jeans, because these are absolutely amazing, super comfortable, and I can still pull my legs up and everything else. So yeah, ladies, that's pretty much it for this haul. Thank you for tuning in. I love you guys. Thank you for all of my subbies, as always, you know, watching each video, and that subscribe, take the time to subscribe and just continue to show me love. I promise you guys, I am working on consistency for the rest of 2020 and 2021. The keyword for my YouTube channel is going to be consistency. Getting disciplined to put out more content for you guys. I promise. I have literally 3 more videos coming after this one, because I've ordered crap, like I've ordered clothes galore, shoes galore, especially for my women that wear a size 12 shoe like me. I got y'all. I'm getting y'all covered. I'm getting there. But anyway, ladies, as always, it's amazing filming for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Love you. Bye. Toodles.